How to write cold emails using Instantly.ai templates. Step 1. Once you're logged into Instantly.ai, head to the template section. This is where you'll find ready-made email structures designed for different goals like sales, outreach, or follow-ups. Step 2. Scroll through and pick a template that matches your purpose. Like example, if you're reaching out to potential clients, choose a sales outreach template. This is a professional written, so you don't have to start from scratch. Step 3. Now, the key part, customization. Replace the placeholders with your own details and the person's name, company, and something specific about them. Instantly, that AI makes this easy with personalization tags, so every email feels tailored. So that's it.